What if the job you hate right now isn't something you need to escape from, but something you can redesign? Most people think they need a perfect career, but what if you could build one step by step? In this video, I'm breaking down powerful ideas from Designing Your Work Life by Bill Burnett and Dave Evans. This isn't just a summary, it's a practical system you can use to design a more meaningful, enjoyable, and fulfilling work life. The main message of this book is simple. You don't find the perfect job, you design your work life. Instead of waiting for clarity or passion, you experiment, test, and adjust. Like a designer, your career is not a single decision, it's a series of small experiments. Before changing your job, understand what's working and what's not. How to do this: write down what you enjoy in your current work. Notice what drains your energy. Track moments when you feel engaged or excited. This is called awareness. You can't design a better life without understanding your current one. Many people feel stuck because of limiting beliefs like, I chose the wrong career, or it's too late. The book teaches reframe the problem. Replace I'm stuck with I'm exploring options. Stop looking for one perfect path. Start thinking in possibilities, not limitations. This opens your mind to new opportunities. Instead of quitting your job suddenly, test small versions of the life you want. Try side projects. Talk to people in careers you're curious about. Volunteer or freelance in that area. These are low-risk experiments that help you discover what truly fits you. Designers don't wait for perfect ideas. They build and improve. Make small changes in your current job. Add tasks you enjoy more. Reduce or delegate what drains you. Even small changes can make your work more meaningful. Passion is not always clear, but energy is. Pay attention to what gives you energy. Simple rule: if something energizes you, do more of it. If something drains you, reduce it. Over time, this shapes a work life you actually enjoy. Designing your work life teaches us this. You don't need to figure out your entire future. You just need to take small steps, test ideas, and adjust along the way. That's how you build a career that truly fits you. If this helped you, comment "Design my life" below as a reminder to take control of your career. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who feels stuck in their work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.